Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you have already been following my journey on YouTube Shorts, then you must know I am building a brand from scratch and it's called Pleno Branding. And when I started this, I didn't even have a name, no direction, just an idea. But I'm building it step by step. Right now, I'm working 9 to 6 job, sometimes freelancing, and also learning new skills. And meanwhile, capturing the entire journey right here on YouTube. I'm teaching myself things like branding, content strategy, YouTube, content creation, and also I am upskilling myself in my professional career, so I'm learning tools like Figma for UI UX, and meanwhile trying to stay consistent on YouTube. It's messy, overwhelming sometimes, but I am doing it. The truth is, I'm not expert. I am not a full-time content creator and not a experienced business owner and not a professional UI UX designer, but I'm trying. Every single day I learn something new, and some days I feel productive and proud of what I am doing, and other day I just feel stuck and open Figma, stare the laptop screen and feel completely lost. But that is the reality of building something from scratch, and I am here to show it as it is. I have struggled with lots of things like doubting myself and thinking that I am way behind. And yeah, I have also compared myself with the people who are doing this from years. This never helps, but I am still doing it. There are days I skip posting or I create something and then thinking that this is not good enough. Then I remind myself that I literally started from zero a month ago. So the fact that I have made it this far, that's something I'm proud of. Now I have built the foundation of Plano branding and started learning UI UX on Figma, started posting on YouTube consistently, and even I will be starting posting on Instagram from the first week of April. And also I am slowly understanding that how YouTube works. It's not perfect, not polished, but it's progress, and for me that's a big deal. So, what I am doing right now is building my brand step by step, trying to be consistent on YouTube. Not perfect for now, but trying to be consistent, and learning new skills that help me grow, and documenting my journey with you guys. So, if you are also building something of your own while working and learning, then remember you are not alone. And what I think that you don't need to figure things out before starting, you just need to start and keep going. And if you have made this far in this video, thank you for supporting my journey. And if you are also building something of your own, I am cheering for you too.